We're going in the Yoinky Sploinky. Caden, if you hit the Yoinky Sploinky, I'm gonna end you.
We're going in the plane to hit the Yoinky Sploinky.
Shut up.
Whoa.
Oh, dang, what's up there?
Shank, your mom's up there. What are we?
It's a
What? Where?
wait.
Oh my god. Where does it go?
It goes out the plane. When you pee, it goes out the plane, Daniel.
Imagine being some poor farmers like getting rained on by liquid or fart.
No, imagine Yoinky Sploinky. Crap.
Oh, hit it. Hit it, man.
I can't see.
Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, it's a medic.
Up there. What's going on?
He's
They're all
big.
medics.
I see the deep.
Caden,
I spilled
hit
something
the
on
Sploinky
water.
right now.
Yoinky.
Faster.
Yoinky.
Ah, you're good.
How do you don't like me? You just take a picture of my guy.
Walking in. I'm recording. You hit the Yoinky Sploinky. No.
Are you guys ready? Let's do it in the entrance. Okay, let me back out.
We'll take you. There's stuff in there.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Cockpit.
Bro. Continue, Caden.
5 seats up there.
Yeah, oh my god.
That's cool, bro.
Beat the cold tonight. Oi.
That's where I sleep.
It smells like Kai sugar in here. It smells like the kitchen. Oh my god. It smells awful. I'm getting shocked by everything. I'm like,
Oh, that's
ow, God.
President's. That's the president. Oh. Yeah, this is
Drake.
the president lounge.
This hurts.
This for new old presidential. This is the new Blair. Oh my
Okay.
god, bro.
Ow. Oh my god.
I just got shot. Why am I getting shot?
How much more should this go on?
A lot of shocking. Do not run fast.
Ow! Stop! That didn't even hurt! Stop! It actually hurts when you do like 80 of them.
Hit the Yoinky. Come on, Caden. Just get the Yoinky out. I'm gonna get. Ow, my god. Caden, walk. Ew. I'm also sweating to death. We're here.
They weren't the first presidential.
Why does it look goofy like that? Oh my god, there's no room in this plane.
I can already tell this is like shock haven.
Yeah. Look at it.
I'm gonna get hurt so badly.
Rivet.
There's all the manual labor. Like, bro, trying
Wait,
to
you can walk over.
trying to be profiting right now.
You can't walk in. Oh my god, this is even tighter.
No, I'm not.
Oh, they keep their pets. I guess. I'm gonna hit the tight Yoinky Sploinky.
Can't beat the cold tonight away. Face me. I'm gonna, dude. Okay, go. Wow, there's no behind us. I'm gonna. I'm gonna get. Stay. Chill out, kid.
You're sitting down.
I'm like sweating right now.
Beat the coach tonight. Oi.
Beat the
Maybe this isn't shock haven because I'm not getting shot. I'm just sleeping up here. Oh, I feel it. Beat the coach tonight. Oi, skibidi.
There's someone behind us, bro. Not yet. Let me like rub my.
Bro, there's like 8 phones in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
I guess he's a phony.
They're playing Kahoot or something. Stop.
Departure and destination.
I need to take off my jacket before I die.
We're leaving soon, alright?
If there's another planet to go in, I'm like,
There is more.
I don't even get one.
oh no. Come on, Caden. We're all looking. I'll let you get out. I was gonna take my jacket off and put my things in my pockets. We're like the worst people in this area. We're like disrespecting everybody. Alright, make sure to slam your head on that thing. Oh my god.
Child.
That looks like a bunch of stuff I'm gonna forget how to use. Oh, hello.
Oh, the toilet, bro.
Is there a pencil sharpener in here? Beat the coat tonight, or
Oh my god.
it don't smell very good, do it? Bro,
Why do we keep coming
there are
up
people behind me.
so bad? Because
Oh, there's another exit. Wait,
no, it's not.
is that a dead end?
Yes.
Oh god. We're on camera also. We rolling. Diet Pepsi. Oh no, I'm just more exposed to shock.
Whoa.
Oh, I want that axe.
Of course you do. You're Caden. Why not?
Sleeping quarters.
Oh, I feel the shock.
Hold my hand, Caden. No. Ow. Ow.
Go.
Ow.
Bird's got a
full confidence.
Caden, that's the death hatch. There's a death hatch.
Oh my god. For real, for real.
The death
You go in
cat.
prison. If you're a bad president, you go in prison.
Look at that squeak.
It. Hit the orange justice.
Global research.
Oh shoot,
Guys and gals.
I'm gonna compile this into one video and post it, okay, Caden? I'm gonna send it through Disney. Well, come on, where's my orange justice at? Oh, let's go. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, where's the Yoinky? Where's my beat the cocoa?
Beat the common night.
Eat.
Beat the common.
Funny. Awesome.
Seats are backwards.
They
No,
are.
they're not. They're forward.
They are. No, they're backwards. We
That's the
enter.
back of the plane.
Yeah, we went through the back of the plane. Oh god, I'm gonna get shot by someone.
Oh, I could feel that.
Oh no.
Gotta go back to research and development.